You guys, these are some Zgallerie wall art that I fell in love with, but actually refused to pay the price, so I decided to make my own. So stick with me and I'll show you how I did it. Went to my local Dollarama and I found this wall art to the garage, and I spray painted them the color that I wanted, and that was white. Now this is a pattern that I chose, but I later found out by going to other Dollaramas that they had other patterns that you could choose from. Now I moved the back of the hanging hardware from all of my wall mirrors, and once I did that, I cleaned my mirror with Windex and I adhered it to the back. I adhered the two pieces together using the E6000 glue. Now what I didn't show here was that after I adhered them together, I actually put some weights or candlesticks on the back of the mirror to cause them to adhere better, to help um, seal them together. And I left it overnight, up to about 14 hours. I know you should leave them up to 24 hours, but I did it for about 14 hours and then I hung them on my wall. What I used to hang them actually was the command strip, the adhesive strips. Because the ones that I use, I think, could hold up to 11 pounds. And these mirrors, these wall plaques did not come anywhere near that. And you guys, this is a finished product and it looks like just like the ones from the Zgallerie at a fraction of the cost. So if you like what you saw today, I would like you to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks so much.